Welcome back to Naturalhub, your trusted source for holistic health and wellness advice. Today, we're delving into the world of tinnitus, a condition that affects millions worldwide. Let's explore how certain minerals can lend a helping hand in managing its symptoms. Tinnitus manifests as ringing, buzzing, or hissing noises in the ears without any external source. It can be debilitating, but there's hope. Minerals play a pivotal role in nurturing our bodies, including the delicate structures of our auditory system. But first, let's understand what causes tinnitus. It can be triggered by various factors, including exposure to loud noise. Prolonged exposure to loud noises, such as heavy machinery or concerts, can damage the delicate hair cells in the inner ear, leading to tinnitus. Age-related hearing loss. As we age, our hearing naturally declines, often leading to tinnitus. This age-related hearing loss can result from damage to the auditory nerves or changes in the inner ear structure. Earwax buildup. A buildup of earwax can block the ear canal, causing irritation and tinnitus. Regular cleaning and maintenance of the ears can help prevent this. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions such as Meniere's disease, autosclerosis, or temporomandibular joint (TMJ) disorders can contribute to tinnitus by affecting the auditory system. Now that we understand some of the causes, let's explore how certain minerals can help alleviate tinnitus symptoms. Magnesium. This vital mineral is crucial for maintaining the health of the inner ear. Research suggests that magnesium deficiency may exacerbate tinnitus symptoms. By supplementing with magnesium, some individuals have reported a reduction in the intensity of their tinnitus. Zinc. Another essential player in ear health. Zinc deficiency has been linked to tinnitus. Zinc helps regulate the function of the auditory system, and supplementation may alleviate symptoms for some individuals. Ginkgo biloba. While not a mineral, ginkgo biloba deserves a mention. This herbal supplement contains potent antioxidants that may enhance blood flow to the inner ear, potentially reducing the severity of tinnitus symptoms. When selecting mineral supplements, quality matters. Opt for products from reputable brands to ensure purity and potency. And as always, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before adding any new supplements to your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. While minerals can be valuable allies in the battle against tinnitus, they're just one piece of the puzzle. Lifestyle changes can also make a significant difference. Protect your ears from loud noises, practice stress management techniques, and incorporate relaxation exercises into your daily routine. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding the right combination of strategies that work best for you. That wraps up today's discussion on tinnitus and minerals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mineral for more health and wellness insights. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in the next video.